Hi, this is Audrey with Offsite Dirt Network, and I'm here with Shawn Intagliata, and we're talking Cobaltcrete. If you don't know them, they specialize in modular construction with HVAC. Tell us a little bit more about the story that you have about your most recent factory in modular construction.
We will do that. It was actually in our own factory. We have part ownership in a factory in South Carolina. A wonderful builder came to us for design. This man is putting up homes that are unbelievable, about 8,000 square feet. And he said, I'd like you to make them out of modular. And we're like, 8,000 square feet? Okay.
That's a big home. That's a lot of boxes.
Let's have a discussion.
Yeah, let's have a discussion for sure.
So what happened was, it turned out his design required 11 boxes.
Wow, that's big.
His request to us was, he wanted nothing to have to do on the first floor with the HVAC after set, because all the trim was in, all of it. He didn't want to have any disruption to his process. We said absolutely. Installed 100% of the HVAC, the Small Duct Unico system, in the factory for his first level. To complicate it, he wanted the linear slotted outlets. And we said, absolutely, you get what you want. We love it, we love them too. And he goes, that's what I want. So we spent a week in the factory with our good people out of BuiltWise, out of South Carolina, in the BuiltWise factory. And we worked with the builder who came to the factory. We spotted every outlet where he wanted them, wanted to make sure they were architecturally perfect for him, moved where we needed to, discussed it, and in 1 week, we had all of the first floor HVAC installed in the factory, ready for the second level, 6 boxes on the first level, 5 on the second, so that on site when we were there with the set crew, those boxes went seamlessly on top of the first floor. But before that happened, we checked every foot of ducting, both main plenum and small duct, to make sure nothing had happened in transportation, nothing had happened, nobody stepped on it, none of that. It was perfect. The boxes on the second floor got set, and then our man stayed and worked with a local contractor to install the final part of the systems, which was the second floor, and the ductwork feeding the first floor, and that was all done from the attic. Took about 7 more days on site. The builder was thrilled.
And I think the most important thing is the efficiency and also having all the materials, so you're not scrambling last minute. And then you have this amazing system that also works with humidity and taking out the humidity and that's unusual, right?
Audrey, especially in South Carolina, we're a block from the ocean, hot and humid.
It does.
And he said, I want indoor moisture management such that my relative humidity is between 47 and 52. That's exactly what the Unico system provides. That's how we engineered it. That's how we designed it. His humidity levels are very low, very comfortable for the occupant, and that causes lower energy bills, because the more humidity we can remove, the more heat we can pull out of that air, the more comfortable the occupants are. And with the way our system ventilates a home very quietly, very directly, it actually mixes the air in the home and creates an even comfort across the space, no greater than 2-degree temperature difference, room to room, floor to floor, ceiling to floor.
And that's just one of the products that they do. They do custom homes, they do multifamily, wood frame, steel frame. Give them a call. Cobaltcrete has been in the industry for such a long time, and their experience is truly remarkable for the end result, the end user, and also the builder and manufacturer. Great job, Shawn. Thanks for sharing that story.
Thanks, Audrey.
And that's the dirt on Offsite Dirt.